Hi, friends. Today I'm going to read one of our favorite books, but the Easter version since Easter is coming up soon. So this book is called Don't Push the Button, The Easter Surprise. Oh, hi there. I am Larry, and I'm so excited for Easter. Aren't you? I know what you're thinking, but we shouldn't push the button. Seriously, for real. Don't push it. But I don't think the Easter Bunny is looking. So go ahead and push one time. Look at push it. Boop. Ack! Where did these bunny ears come from? Now try pushing the button 2 times. 1, 2. Eep! Now I have a bunny nose and whiskers. Quick, push the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we have 5 eggs. Tap each egg to add some color. Oh, wow, look at the colors we made the eggs. Let's see, we did green, orange, pink, yellow, and blue. Now we need to decorate the eggs with your fingertips to make them extra special. So let's decorate the eggs. Beautiful! Now shake the book up and down to dry the paint. So I'm gonna put their arms up and down. Oh no, all the shaking made the eggs go flying. Can you blow on the grass so we can find all of them? Almost. Let's just blow a little bit harder. There they are. Let's count the eggs as you slide each one into the basket and make sure you get them all. Ready? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks, buddy. You helped make the Easter the best ever. Bye, Larry. Bye, eggs. Bye, my friends.